everyone, and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video, I'm going to be making some pancakes for breakfast. And what I have here is the Aunt Jemima pancake mix, and as well as some nonpareils. The children call these sprinklers or sprinkles. And so I'm going to be adding this to my pancake mixture. So guys, you will definitely gonna need a spoon, or in a case like this, I'm gonna be using my whisk, and you're gonna need water.